Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. You are never alone in your struggles. God gives you the strength to keep going. Proverbs 16:3. Commit your work to the Lord, and your plans will succeed. When you put God first in your goals, He helps guide your path. Joshua 1:9. Be strong and brave. Do not be afraid. The Lord your God is with you wherever you go. You can face challenges with courage because God walks with you. Psalm 37:4. Take delight in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. When your heart is close to God, He shapes your dreams and helps them grow. Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. He will guide you on the right path. Even when you don't understand what is happening, trust that God sees the full picture.